Hey guys, what's going on? Your boy AMAR here. Yo, 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 we doing it big now. Today's video topic is, what is tire road hazard? I hear on tire warranties a lot. I hear from a lot of tire shops if I have a blowout or something. What is tire road hazard and what is it all about? So let's get down to the topic here. We got a couple General Ultimax Arctics snow tires that came in. With the 2015, let's see, 2015 DOT, tire size 205, 55, 16, bread and butter size. Now it has road hazard. So a customer came in, this tire here had a bulge in the sidewall, okay? Once this tire's inflated, it's got a big tire tumor right there. It was bulging out, okay, sticking out like a sore thumb. So we circled it, and now when it's under deflated, you can't see it because there's no pressure. So now the customer comes in, we tell the customer, ladies and gentlemen, that this tire has road hazard issued, and it is covered under road hazard warranty. Now what is road hazard? Road hazard is something, not necessarily meaning you have to have a hazard on the road where the tire blows up and burst into a million pieces and you have an accident. No, road hazard can be another clarification that there is a manufacturer defect within the tire, whether it be the rubber or the belt separator, or the rubber had melted in between the belts, or tire separation or tire cracking. Generally a malfunction in the tire itself, that the tire had let us down with certain properties and characteristics in the tire. Now this bulge in the sidewall, while deflated, we had sent a picture to General, and they had emailed us back, and the rep had contacted us saying that this tire has road hazard, so the tire will be covered. Now how is road hazard warranty done? Well, as you can see right off the bat, that this tire's got a lot of meat on it. So what happens is the tire rep comes down, he brings his tire gauge, he measures what's left. So now the tire company is going to give us, the tire dealer, a tire credit for how much rubber is left, and in turn the customer is going to have to pay for what they used. So let's say that this tire cost $100 brand new, the customer used only 25%, we will get a $75 credit, and the customer would be responsible for paying the $25, and they would be responsible for paying the labor. So it would be, let's say, $20 to remove and rebalance this new tire on the rim. So they would be paying $25 for the cost of the tire, and the labor charge would be a standard rate of $20 here. Or sometimes if it's a really, really good customer, sometimes you can waive that fee if they've bought a lot of tires off you. Okay, so that's what's considered road hazard, is that once the manufacturers look at it, they see what happens a lot of times. Now it does happen on brand name tires, so don't be ashamed if you get a Michelin, Bridgestone, Continental, General, and it has a bulge in the sidewall. But very rarely does it happen, and if it does, you have to send a picture, and they discover it under road hazard. Now, if it's not a manufacturer defect, if there's a cut in the sidewall, a slit, a chunk, which we're going to go here for a second, try to find out that there is, okay, right off the bat, bingo, perfect example right here. Now you see here, this tire here is not covered under road hazard warranty. The customer had curbed this. They took a chunk out of the sidewall, they took a deep chunk, and as you can see the belts peeking through right there. So this is not covered under road hazard warranty. We told the customer well in advance that the manufacturer will not cover this, but they were persistent, so we still emailed the picture for customer service. General emailed us back saying, okay, you have to tell the customer has to pay full pop for the tire, which once they received it in writing, they realized that, you know what, that we were right, so they ended up paying for that. So that is what is considered a brief example of road hazard warranty. Now if you have any issues or any defects with the tire that you bought here, or you haven't bought it here and you have any questions, please call us or email us. Call me at 905-528-3500. My name's AMAR from Hillyards Rimlines. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. We out, guys. Thanks for watching, baby.